Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to harvest lithium ion batteries from old laptop batteries. These batteries are 18650 lithium batteries, and most of the branded or the original laptop batteries contain either Samsung batteries or LG batteries. These are the LG batteries, LG ABP4 1865. This one is a Samsung battery ICR 18650. Similarly, the compatible batteries or the copy batteries will have cheap Chinese batteries, which also will fulfill our purpose for creating a battery backpack, powering our electric bikes and all. So let's start scavenging some batteries from old laptop batteries. I got this battery from a Lenovo laptop, old Lenovo laptop, and the issue with this battery was it was not charging. Yeah, and was draining off quickly. So I got it replaced with a new battery and tried to scavenge the batteries from this one. It's a 4 cell battery, as you can see. It will consist of 4 batteries like this: one, two, three, and four. For opening up this battery, we will require a flathead screwdriver like this, a small plier, a wire stripper or cutter, and we are good to go. To open it up, we need to cut open from any of the end like this and pop it like this. It's a bit tricky but quite easy if you are used to it. Just pop it. Now from the edges you have to put a bit more and we are almost good to go. Yeah, we can see the batteries. Make sure the battery is not damaged in this process, so a bit care should be taken. Now just tear it. And here we are getting a good sight of orange colored batteries. Cool. We won't be needing this battery management system built inside the battery, so we have to get rid of that too. We only need the cells. So here it is, 4 cells, 3.7 volt each. uh, it's an LG battery, LG ABC2 1865. I'll show you. Hope you can see that. Now we have to get rid of this management system, so we can chop it off from the ends. Just cut it. It's a bit tricky. Just cut it. and we got it off from the battery. So we have to separate each cells from one another. For that I'll be using this small plier. Peel it off. It's been welded, so we have to get it off, and we're almost good to go with this cell. These are the silicon based thing which we have to get rid of. It can be easily peeled off with a small blade. That's it. These are a few tapes. And a decent LG battery is here. So we have to check if it's still in good condition and can be reused for making our battery pack. For that I'll be using my multimeter to check the voltage of this battery. This is the positive end of the battery and this one is the negative. So I'll be placing the black probe here and the red probe on the positive side, and let's check the voltage. It's around 3.61 voltage. So yeah, the battery is fine, we can charge it. Similarly, we have to get these three batteries separated and check the voltage individually. As you can see, I have pulled out all the four batteries and are in good condition. So let's check the voltage individually. Black probe on the negative side, red probe on the positive one. 3.61. It's a good battery. Same to be done with the other one. 3.60. It's a good battery. Three point six one. 3.55. So I guess I can use this battery for my future projects. Yeah, can be recharged using a lithium ion charger. So now let's check it by using it on a 12-volt fan. Let's see if it's spinning. It's an old desktop fan. Negative and on the black wire and the positive red, and you can see the fan is spinning. So let's add some juice, and I'm attaching another battery in series, and yeah, you can see that the fan is spinning a bit faster now with three batteries, and you can see it's spinning much more faster. Yep, so these batteries are good. The best part about this process is you are getting the battery for like almost free, or even if you are planning to buy these old laptops from a scrap vendor, they will charge anything between 50 to 80 rupees per batteries. Still then it's a good deal if you are getting at least 2 or 3 batteries in perfect condition. as if you try to buy these batteries online, the new ones, this will cost you around 200 to 350 Indian rupees, which is quite expensive for us. If you are harvesting it from an old laptop battery, it's quite cheap, and you can also get good quality batteries like this LG batteries and the Samsung one. I hope you guys like my video. Kindly like my video if you really liked it, and do subscribe my channel for more videos. I'm going to make a video on my new e-bike which I am going to build from scratch. So yeah, stay with me and have some fun. Thanks. Thanks for watching.